Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, September 20th, I think is the date. Yes, that's what it says right up there in the corner. I need to apologize. Ben Youngbauer contacted me last night and he was looking for the Google Doc to sign up for meetings and he was looking for more information for the water potential of a potato lab, more group percentages to plug in. First things first, the Google Doc. I ended up changing it even after the videos I made at the end of last Friday because our schedule kind of changed. It may not seem like a change to you, but with our class being in the extended period, that means that we're kind of past school time, right? If you have 6 classes and then have AP Bio as an extended class, um, you've got a really full schedule. And I don't know how you're doing it, but you're doing amazing and keep it up. Because of that, um, and where my flex hour is, they pretty much take up all of 6th hour. I didn't have time on Friday to say, like, okay, yeah, we can meet. So what's going to end up happening is probably either, since I didn't give you a lot of warning, we'll do Friday. On Friday, I'm going to make my flex time independent time. So they're going to be on their own. And so that means that we will have time 6th hour to meet. Now, Ben, you're probably watching these videos and you're like, I have AP CS 6th hour. And that's okay. I already had you submit those questions. Don't worry about it. You've stayed up to date with me pretty well, so I'm not too worried about like where you're at and anything, okay? So what Friday is going to be is, and I'll send out a reminder today, and I'll send out a reminder on Thursday and Friday, all right, so we can get that going. This Friday will be a WebEx meeting with everyone to ask any questions that they have, okay? And then the next week, we can start setting up times during set time, which is going to be in the morning. I think it starts at 8:10 on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so we can have those times. Actually, let me double check the schedule. I know we've got pride time and then it alternates with set time, right? So that set time will be in the morning to just do a quick check-in. I have a couple questions that I want to ask. They're not a big deal. They're just a reflection questions like, what are you still confused about? How can I better support you in this online platform? All easy questions that are all focused on me helping you. So I apologize that the Google Doc is not up there. If that's what you're looking for, it's not there because of our schedule change. The second thing, the water potential information, the group percent changes. We are finishing that up today, and I can post some of those for you all today, and I will get them posted. I'll take a picture of 5th hours, one of 5th hour's groups, and then I will post that to our Schoology page. It will be under week 2 in the water potential activity, okay? It's not going to be under week 3. I haven't made a new folder yet, but it'll be back under week 2 in the water potential activity, so there will be more resources in that section. All right, instructions for today, all right? So over the weekend, you were asked to complete the Unit 1 check-in, all right? Those are some pretty tough questions. We haven't gone that in depth yet. It's really only been 8 days that we've had class, so don't worry about it too much. If you did pretty well, like pat yourself on the back. Nicely done. Keep it up. However, that is where the national AP students are. Across the nation, that's where we're supposed to be at. But if we only had 8 days of school, it's kind of hard for us to gauge that. So take it with a grain of salt. What do you want to work on for this unit, for the future, for the AP test, okay? That's really what you should be looking at for that. Secondly, we were working on the movement activity and the water potential lab, okay? What I want you to do today It's just a work day. Finish the analysis for both the water potential and the movement activity. Then finish and write a conclusion for the movement activity, and then find the sucrose concentration for the water potential lab. Essentially, just finish that worksheet that I had posted for you all, okay? Finish that up and then submit it, okay? I'll give you feedback on whatever you need. So finish up that worksheet, and I know Jack is out until Tuesday maybe, so I'll give him some grace period on that. But I would like the rest of you folks to have your stuff, the water potential and the movement activity, turned in by tonight at 11:59, if you could. Ben, I know you got a full plate too. So if you need an extension, just message me on Schoology and we'll be good to go. Please turn it in, because that'll be a way for me to gauge your participation. To see how things are going, and I can correct any misconceptions or just go over and get you feedback for what you need. Sound good? So today's a work day. Work on that lab that we started on Thursday and Friday last week. All right. If you haven't already finished, finish your AP check-in. Other than that, you're good to go. So have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you for all your questions and your concerns, and I really appreciate everyone staying up to date. You're doing phenomenal. It's only been 8 days. It's a work in progress. We'll get there. Keep it up, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Happy Monday.